How to log into your Gobble account step by step. Here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your gobble.com, or you can actually get into the application, and then you'll need to tap on that login button, then get into the login page. If you're on the website, you can tap on the menu bar on the top left and then tap on login button in order to get to your login page. All you need to do is add in your email address and the password of your account. Once you write in all of the credentials, you can simply tap on login and you will successfully be able to log into your Gobble account like that. So yeah, there's no complicated process. That's all you need to do. Even on your application, all you need to do is get into that login page, add in all of the credentials of your account. When you tap on login, you'll successfully be able to log into your Gobble account. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below. How to fix Robinhood account locked after too many attempts. So here, the very first thing that you want to do is wait for about 30 to 60 minutes at least without trying to log in to allow the temporary lock timer to expire, right? So once you do that here, another thing that you can actually do is simply select the option forgot password on the login screen to send a reset link to your email. Then you can try to reset your password, and then after successfully resetting the password, you can come back to your login page, adding your new password and see if that helps. So even after doing that, if it's not helping, then you will actually need to contact the support in the app. So you can simply tap on that option, contact support. You'll need to get into that and then upload a photo ID like your driver's license or a password for a manual identity verification for Robinhood security, and you'll be able to fix your Robinhood account locked after too many attempts.